Mr. Bless, it have to be more, not less. So gone and I'm gone and I'm gone and I'm gone and I'm gone.
Again. So today we're gonna do a simple oil change on 2018 208 Peugeot, whatever them call it. So all we need to do the oil service is all in key, a spanner, and the filter puller. Let's do it. So now the oil is fully drained. We're just gonna put in back the bung. So now we're gonna put on the filter. We're just gonna add a little oil. And the oil that I'm using is fully synthetic motor oil 00030, as you can see. So now we're gonna put back the filter. And all you need to do is just untighten it. And if you don't know the oil measurement, you have an easy way. Just pour back the whole oil into a bottle and you can know the measurement. So you can just work off the amount where you take out and add the same amount back in if you don't know the measurement. But you can measure it by the dipstick and you know how many amount to go in it, you know. So as you can see, I nearly get 5 liters out of it. So we can work the measurement with the dipstick and we can know where it's supposed to be. That is an easy way, you know. So now we're gonna put in the oil. First remove the dipstick, then remove the cork, put it right there. And then we're gonna put in the oil. So we're gonna put 3.5 for now. Then we check it and see where the dipstick's saying. If it needs more, we add. That look good for now. So we're just gonna start it and see what happened. Then we check it again. And this is a 3-cylinder engine. Press and hold the reset button. Switch on the car. Then you're gonna see it start countdown. Then it got to 0. Then you can let go. Switch off the car. Switch it on back. And then it's gone. So there is no spanner light no more. So that is how you reset the service. We're going to check back the oil now and see where it is. And as you can see, it is right at the mark. And it used 3.7 liter. So that is how you do it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for some more oil service like this one. I'm out.